Hey everybody, Shaun Hadsall here, the owner of Get Lean in 12 and Stubborn Fat Expert, coming at you with more no hype rapid fat loss tips and tricks. And in today's short motivational video, I want to quickly discuss how self-talk can affect belly fat. So my wife has a habit of making negative comments about herself after she gets out of the shower or when she tries to fit into certain clothes. And I hear these negative comments come out of her mouth. And I always have to remind her that we're holding a conversation with ourselves inside of our head all day long. So you have to be careful what you say and think, because yourself is always listening. So if you're constantly cutting yourself down and talking negative to yourself, it's a self-fulfilling prophecy. That's what's going to manifest itself and come true. And conversely, the opposite is true. If you're consistently self-talk positive and optimistic, and seeing the glass half full instead of half empty, you're much more likely to follow through with your commitments to your diet and your exercise program or any area of your life, and you're going to be happier and you're going to get better results. Because be careful what you think and say, because it all comes true someday. So that is my motivational tip of the day. Control your self-talk. Always be talking positive to yourself, because guess what? You are awesome. You are beautiful, you are lean, you are healthy. And if you tell yourself these things, even if you aren't those things yet, eventually you will be. It's not a matter of if, it's a matter of when. So if you got something out of this short motivational clip, hit the like button, give me some hearts, share this. If you got questions for me, drop a comment below. Thanks for watching and have an amazing day.